Hello everyone and welcome to the session. So my name is Amarjeet and I would like to quickly take you towards a brief overview about what exactly the Docker is. So friends, we have seen in from last many years like the deployment has become one of the biggest issue in a software development lifecycle. Many times it happens when you have the softwares which is developed by you. Whenever it comes to the deployment part, people have with the different machines, different setup, different softwares, different hardware configuration. The software which is developed by you may not work properly across all the different type of systems. Due to that, this issue is very common where the project works in one system may not work properly in another system. So to solve this issue, we have a solution with us with the help of the Docker. Now, the Docker, as we know it very well, it is one of the world's most popular, I would say, the container platform, which is there in industry from last many years and is capturing the market in all different type of scenarios when it comes to the design, development, deployment, and testing and releases. So my question is like, where exactly the Docker really operates? Is it in design, development, deployment, or release? So it actually comes into this deployment part. So I would say the more your exactly Docker components comes under the deployment part. Now, as we say what exactly the Docker is. So we can say that Docker is one of the most popular deployment container, work efficiently and resolve most of the issues which come specifically for your deployment related issues. Okay, so we have a first question like what exactly the Docker is. So I would say the Docker is world's leading software container platform. So there are two questions are there. What exactly the platform is and what exactly the container is. Let me try to brief you about that. Here we have got a concept. Just imagine a use case. You have one software developed which contains lot many stacks. It contains UI, it contains the backend, it contains the backend databases, and contains lot many third-party libraries on which your application is dependent on. And furthermore, this application needs to be get deployed across multiple different type of environments, like it may be your laptops, it may be your typical iPads, or it may be your server locations, it may be racks, it may be any location. So here the hardware compatibility and the software compatibility would be the biggest issue. Okay, so this time the developer needs to test all the different components across all different type of platforms just to make sure whether they're working properly or not. And this is to solve this issue. We have a concept name called Docker, where you would like to basically bring all the software components, including the libraries, including the all different type of dependencies, all backend system, including the complete operating system under the one hood, and deploy it as a one container across all different platforms wherever you have the Docker engine installed, and your application will work without having any issues. That means the Docker is a kind of container platform which is responsible to take care about your hardware. Okay, and it talks about your software part also. So your hardware and your software, these incompatibility would not exist anymore as soon as you have a Docker into your system. Okay, thank you.